Hey guys! Let me show you how to make the fluffiest, lightest donuts ever. You might even like it more than your favorite donut shop. I start by adding my flour, a little bit of salt, my yeast, and the sugar. I mix to combine. Then I'm gonna add my wet ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my wet ingredients, my 2 large eggs, 1 cup of warm milk, and the butter. And I let it mix for a long time, 15 to 20 minutes. And your dough will be so smooth. And that's the secret to a silky smooth dough. And between trial and error, I prefer using a mix of all-purpose flour and cake flour, equal amounts. That ensures a very fluffy and light texture. This is how my dough should look like. Very smooth, a little sticky, but that's okay. I put it in an oiled mixing bowl and I cover it and let it double in size. Now I'm gonna work on flattening my dough. I'm gonna make a big circle. I'll make sure it's the same thickness and it's almost half an inch in thickness. This dough is gonna make 16 to 18 donuts. I use a cookie cutter and a much smaller cookie cutter to get the donut shape. I leave it on parchment paper and I cover it for another half an hour to rise one more time. I heat my oil and meanwhile I'm gonna work on my icing. I add a little bit of milk to powdered sugar and a little bit of vanilla paste and mix it until the consistency is just like this. I prepare my other dish from sugar, vanilla sugar, and some vanilla powder. I'm gonna cover some of my donuts with that. My oil should be between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It shouldn't go above that, so I keep on checking on my oil. You can use candy thermometer, but I'm used to frying donuts. I've done it so many times, so I know the temperature of the oil. These are so good, I'm taking a bite right now. And they're so light and fluffy. If you like these recipes, please subscribe, like and share. And until next Thursday, bon appétit! I'm using some icing and some Easter color sprinkles. My kids are gonna love these.